Hey folks, welcome to another edition of Roaming the 201 on a rainy, wet day on Tuesday. Normally you would see me out and about roaming, of course, the city of San Antonio, trying to get some shots in, trying to get some exciting areas in to film, to show people outside the state and also locals inside the state on what they can do next or what's exciting and what's coming into town. But unfortunately today it's really wet and wild, so today I'm calling it a down day. And basically what I want to do is share with you, welcome you into my home, what we do on a down day. Now normally it's nothing fancy, nothing big for regular people, folks like us who aren't traveling or seeing exciting places.
This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy.
It's just one of those simple days of cleanup, moving stuff around, getting caught up with other things, certain personal business, laundry. That I will go through the details.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
That's personal. Anyways, but I just wanted to share with you folks the time for today as to what we normally do. If we're not filming and we're not out and about and we're not doing the restaurants locally, or we're not doing tourist attractions or the Alamo, or filming other exciting areas throughout the city.
What do you say we cut the chit-chat a-hole?
And I will get back to you as soon as possible. So let's get rolling for today. Look, it's not like a simple load of laundry is going to take 2 whole hours. Might as well knock it out right now. It should be fast. Put the clothes in, push a couple of buttons, out in 15 minutes, clean house, absolute victory. What could possibly go wrong?
2 hours later.
Emergency tactical retreat. Nobody subscribed to watch me fold underwear. Let's let Walter Sobchak handle the high stakes of dirty undies.
My dirty undies, dude. Laundry, the whites.
Man, I'm back at the desk again, crushing emails and keeping clients happy. Just a man with many skills. Honestly, I haven't seen multitasking like this since that high school talent show back in 2004. Nunchuck skills, bow hunting skills, computer hacking skills. Look, I gotta eat between editing and answering client emails. People out here thinking I'm that rat from the movie Ratatouille. I ain't got time to be gourmet cooking.
I can't help myself. I like good food, okay?
I figured I would play some PS5, and now I gotta deal with system updates. I haven't wanted to smash tech this bad since my last project render. Now that the update is finished, now I can get back into my Indiana Jones game, get past this final level I've been trying to finish. But while I'm here, I also need to check when that Assassin's Creed Black Flag is coming out, and also Halo are gonna drop. Honestly, hunting down release dates like this makes me feel like I'm part of an actual cooking chef running a kitchen. You'd think I had more work to do.
We have some more work to do.
More cleaning to do. Check to see if it stopped raining. Nope. Man, I feel overwhelmed.
A little overwhelmed.
More cleaning to do. Dishes done. Microwave scrubbed. stovetop wipe down. I haven't taken a deep clean this seriously since.
Hello? Hello? I said don't disturb you, I'm cleaning my room!
Back outside one last time to see if it's still raining. Spoiler alert, it is. Honestly, sitting out here waiting for a clear sky has me feeling like I'm stranded on a completely different planet. Hey folks, thanks for joining me here on Roaming the 210. Today was a real down day for getting stuff done and getting caught up because of the weather. I just want to let you all know that I really appreciate you watching till the end of the video. And you can also see the affiliate links for the DJI Pro 6 action camera. If you're interested in purchasing that, I am part of the Amazon affiliate program. Of course, I have to mention it by FTC, I think FTC. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you what we do when we're not out in the city in San Antonio filming, or what we're doing as well, just a behind the scenes thing. But anyways, that is a wrap for today. I am going to put this project to bed, and I'm going to start editing it and getting it out to you folks as quickly as possible, so that way you know how fast it takes. Well, then again, I don't know if you really care, but anyways, there's a lot of things that I have to do for it and get it uploaded. Like I was saying earlier in the video, I use Adobe Premiere. I'm having problems with them right now, so I don't know. I may be switching platforms if they can't get their stuff together, but that's just the vloggers' dilemmas and problems that we have to deal with. But anyways, thank you so much for joining us, and until the next time. Alright guys, that is a wrap on today's crazy workflow journey. Thanks for hanging out with me through the chaos. I did drop the links to this setup in the description box below. They are my affiliate links, so if you click on them and pick something up, it legally helps support the channel as an Amazon associate. I'll see you on the next Roaming the 210. Laters.
It's over. Go home. Go.